Hello children, how are you? I hope you all are fine. This is GK revision class. We have already done the syllabus and some of the new students who have not done, quickly complete your work. The first page is a mysterious space. It is for the activity type, so you have to solve yourself. We have already done, it is not included in your PT1 exam. So just complete this and you get some knowledge. The first is Wonder Birds. This is your first syllabus in your PT1. Children, I give you some tips. Read the pages, read the chapter, identify the birds also. If I give you some of the questions like identify the birds, so you are able to know the name. All the question is multiple choice questions. So all the options over there you have to just identify. Furry friends is also same as animals. Okay, so you need to know the name of the animals and identify also how it's look. Okay, so children, I hope no one having any doubt. You have to complete this, read the chapter and identify the pictures. It is very important part. Anyone have any doubt, you just ask me. Next is Olympics, tracks and fields. It is also related to the games. You need to identify what is hammer throw, how it's looking. So you need to learn. Here I give you one very important tips. Do not forget to read these tidbits. Do not skip. Here you get a very important information and I give you in your exam also. So if you skip that portion, you are not able to give the answer. So read the tidbits too. The lower portion you can see the yellow border, it is very important. Here this chapter is also basically all the athletes. So you need to know about them and you have to learn and prepare for your PT1 exam. Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. I am again telling you, and read it carefully and thoroughly. Do not skip any line, any pages. Okay. Next is know your flag. Yes, you have already know about your flag, but here you get some of more informations. What is the length of this national flag, etc., etc. So you need to learn, and here is also you get the tidbits. So do not skip. Okay, you remember that. I have already give you in the instructions in the classwork. Again, I am telling you. Okay. How is a book made? It is not include your exam, but you need to know that. So do not skip. You have to read this and you know some of the information. Children, in your PT1 exam is completely MCQ type questions. Here you get all these options. You have to choose the correct one. You have already gave this exam in last year also. Okay. Quick quiz, it is also based on the same chapter. You can complete this, read the chapter, you can be able to give the answer also. So do not skip. You have to read out but not include in your exam. I hope you all get the syllabus also. If you have any doubt regarding GK for your PT1, you can ask me. The next one is very important, is parliaments of different countries. You need to know the name and what is the name of these parliaments in the different countries. It is very important, and identify the pictures how it is looking. Okay, if I am showing you the Parliament of India, just one time you need to identify. Okay, so children, these all are the syllabus. If you have a doubt, you can ask me. All the best for your PT1 exam. Thank you. Bye.